Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to look at a quick in-depth review about these two accounting software, which is Expensify and FreshBooks. The ability side, which of these accounting system will be a better choice for your business in 2025? So let's dive into it. FreshBooks is still a topic for small business owners, freelancers, and service-based professionals who need a full accounting solution. It includes invoicing, expense tracking, project time tracking, and financial reporting all together with payment collection, all wrapped in an easy to use interface. It's designed to handle your entire accounting workflow, making it ideal for those who want all in one solution. While Expensify focused mainly on the entire and the expense management, it automates receipt scanning, reimbursement workflows, and credit card reconciliation, making it great for teams or business that deals with high volume of employees' expenses. So while both offer expense tracking, their use cases differs. So FreshBook handle a full accounting, while Expensify is more of hard-on tools for managing expenses within a large financial stack. And here's a little verdict about the two platforms. So you can choose FreshBook if you need a complete accounting platform, or probably you can opt in for Expensify if you already have accounting software and you need a powerful dedicated solution to streamline and automate your business reporting. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.